Big Papa here. We're gonna take some Smithfield bacon, and we're gonna take some Chipotle Tabasco and some brown sugar, and we're gonna do what most think is impossible, make the bacon better. So we're just gonna lay it out here like this. I'm gonna lay them out and I'm gonna hit them with brown sugar, and then I'm gonna give them a really generous coating of the Chipotle Tabasco. I love the Chipotle Tabasco with bacon. I think it's rich, smoky flavor, really works well with the bacon, and I think when you add the brown sugar, it gives you just a nice little combination of sweet, heat, and then bacon goodness. Okay, so now we're gonna take this brown sugar. I'm gonna give it a nice coating. Okay, so nice even coating, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna pat it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the Chipotle and I'm gonna brush it in, and then it's going for its siesta in the old hickory smoker at 300. Look at this. This is not too much. You can't use too much of this. Tabasco's been around for 150 years and they never go out of style. It's just, I love cooking with it. I've always cooked with Tabasco and I love the different flavors. So now I'm gonna come in here with the basting brush. When this gets paired with Chipotle and the brown sugar, you'll never eat bacon any other way. So we're gonna take the bacon, we're gonna put it on the smoker's set to 300. It's gonna take about an hour, maybe 45 minutes. We like to cook it on the smoker because I like the effect of the smoke has with the Chipotle, Tabasco, and the bacon. But all of these recipes you can cook indoors. You can cook in your microwave, just don't tell your friends. You can cook in a frying pan, or however else you'd cook bacon. I just like to do it on the smoker. Okay, I've pulled it off the smoker. And we're just gonna drain it a little bit. Big Papa's Chipotle Tabasco brown sugar bacon.